Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinay. I am a children cancer specialist and a bone marrow transplant physician currently working in UK. I pursued my MBBS in Bangalore Medical College and then went on to specialize in Paediatrics in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I did my super specialization DM course in Paediatric Haematology Oncology from PJ Chandigarh. When I look back at these academic years, the most vital thing that happened to me was the guidance I got during second PUC. Yes, I was a student like you all in Sastry Tuitions, batch 2004-2005. I must admit that today I would not be sitting here and speaking to you all and sharing my experience if not for the guidance that I got from Sastry sir, Purushottam sir and the entire team of teachers at Sastry Tuitions. At the start of the course, I was clueless like all of you about the competition involved to enter into professional courses, how to go about it, and I felt that it was an extremely big burden on my shoulders to go through that year and get into a good professional course. However, soon I realized that we were all put into a regular structured routine which was of course intensive, and we were made to work day in and out in the same way. Initially it was extremely stressful and tiring even to sit for long hours in the classes, and however we soon got transitioned and we got adjusted to the routine in about 1 to 2 months. Hence the first lesson that I learned from Sastry Tuitions or Sastry Tutorials is success doesn't come the easy way. Hard work is the only way out and there are no shortcuts to success. I was in the evening batch at the main branch, and my tuition hours used to be between 5:45 to 9:45. Like most of the others, my routine for the day used to start at around 6:37 a.m. Study for about 1 hour or so if possible, get ready, go to the college and hear to the lectures in the college for about 5 hours in that day, and then I used to go and sit in the library for about 2 to 3 hours before the tuitions used to start, then go to the tuitions. So from 5:45 till 9:45 it used to be extremely intensive teaching sessions that used to happen, 4 hours of teaching sessions, and we used to all walk out of the tuitions at around 10 in the night. I used to reach home at around 10:30, have my dinner, and then again sit to study for about 1 to 2 hours. Sastry sir always says that you have to read for about 16 hours in a day. It's called the famous 16-hour study strategy. I and few of my friends were religiously following that, and you will have to follow if you are in Sastry Tuitions, because as I said, the routine itself goes from 7 in the morning till 1 in the night, and there is no way out without working hard for 16 or more than 16 hours. And definitely sleep was only for 5.5-6 hours, and chit-chatting with your friends, doing other routines of the day used to not cross 8 hours. So 16 hours per day, definitely you will put in the efforts if you are in Sastry Tuitions. The next advantage that I feel when you are in Sastry Tuition is the material that you will get. You believe me or not, I did not read any textbook for biology and mathematics. Purushottam sir's notes was the Bible for me, and the workup that we used to do for mathematics itself was enough for learning the things. The material is so extensive that it is beyond all the textbooks. You will not find any question in the exam out of the box apart from what it is taught in the tuitions. So the material is the next strength from Sastry Tuitions. The third important thing, and extremely important, that I feel is the motivation that we get from Sastry Tuitions. Every teacher in every session will give you individual attention and they know how to motivate you. Shastri sir's motivational words, even at the end of the day, at around 10 o'clock in the night, if you used to speak for 20 minutes, that used to reboot all our energy to the highest levels, and it used to keep us on for the next 1 to 2 weeks. This worked out miraculously for me. I used to not feel tired, and after listening to his speech, and definitely that 16-hour duration will go on for at least 4 to 5 days after listening to him. Last and not the least, and the most important thing that I feel works out best at Sastry Tuition is the way that you will dedicatedly work. Involuntarily, you are made to work dedicated towards your goal. This is because of the teachers the efforts that teachers put each day in and out. And you are made to work so hard and work towards your goals each day, and take up short-term targets and convert into your long-term goal. So I think these are the most important things that actually worked out for me. And what I would like to advise you, or rather suggest, is that this year in your life will be an extremely important milestone. Don't neglect it. There are a lot of distractions around you. Please dedicatedly work, put in your focused efforts towards the goal. I am very sure you are in safe hands now, and you will all come out with flying colors. The world on the other side is green, and you will enjoy it. You have to put your dedicated efforts this year. All the best. I wish you all the success. Thank you.